Shell is exhausted. He didn't run a marathon. He didn't solve a problem. He didn't even reply to that one message he's been avoiding for 3 days. And yet, he feels like he carried his shell uphill both ways. He did nothing. This is what scientists call mental fatigue, a state where Shell's brain, despite the body doing absolutely nothing, is completely overloaded with noise, decisions, distractions, unfinished thoughts about another life that never go anywhere. Shell hasn't been working or doing anything productive all day. He's been overstimulating his brain with social media and video games, and that's a full-time job. Here's why. Shell's brain runs on dopamine, that little chemical that fires every time something new happens, and it is addicting. Scroll? Dopamine. Notification? Dopamine. A random video about deep-sea creatures at 1 a.m.? Dopamine. Shell's brain wasn't built for this. It was built for one task: 2 hours of focus, then actual rest. What Shell calls rest isn't actually rest. It looks like rest. It feels like rest. He's horizontal, he's quiet, he's technically not working. But inside is a bigger problem. His brain is still running at full speed. Real rest is boring, quiet. Sometimes it looks like staring at nothing for 5 minutes and feeling weirdly okay about it. Shell doesn't do that. Shell reaches for his phone the second he feels bored. And Shell is aware that this behavior is a problem. Here's what's actually happening inside Shell's head. There's a system called the default mode network. It activates when the brain finally gets silence. That's when real recovery happens. Reflection, consolidation, recharge, mental clarity. But with constant dopamine hits, the brain never has a chance to turn on that recovery mode. No silence, no recharge. Just a low-battery brain pretending it's fine. Sound familiar? Shell meant to take a 10-minute break. It's now 2 a.m. He hasn't moved in 3 hours. He's watched 4 videos he doesn't remember and somehow ended up on a channel about competitive cheese rolling. This isn't rest. This is overstimulation with a relaxation filter on it. Here's what actually works. 4 steps. Step 1. Rebrand boredom. If it feels boring, it's probably helping. Walking without headphones, sitting without a screen, staring at a wall for 2 minutes. That's powerful rest. Step 2. Go outside. No notifications out there. No algorithm. Just air. That's not nothing. That's everything Shell's brain needs right now. Step 3. 1 screenless hour a day. Anything that doesn't require a screen or a decision. Shell's brain will resist this for exactly 4 minutes. Then it relaxes. Step 4. Treat your energy like it's limited. Because it is. Mental energy doesn't refill from scrolling. It refills from silence, movement, and actual sleep. Shell knows these steps feel weird at first. They're worth it. Shell used to think he was just lazy. He wasn't. He was overstimulated. His brain was working the whole time, just not on anything real. The moment Shell gave his brain actual silence, everything changed. Same Shell, but with a clear head. Shell made it to the end. That already means something. If this helped, subscribe. Shell's got more to figure out, and so do you.